Today we are going to work with the high lunge posture, with the wall and with the block, how we can make the posture easy. So let's start. So stand on your knees, take your right leg forward. So today we are going to just work with the front leg. So what we will do, we will use the block there in line with your knees. So after that, make sure your knee and your ankle should be in one line. Your toes are touching to the wall or not, that's not a problem here. Then why we are using the block? The block is reminding us how from the first edge to the last edge the block is flat. Same your knee, your hip should be in one line, which means your thigh is totally parallel to the ground there. That's why you want to work only with the front leg first, so we want to break the asana into a few steps. Then what you will do, you will use your fingers in the cup shape on the wall. You need to make sure your wrist and the shoulder in one line. Don't keep the palms too up or don't keep the palm too down. And make sure the palm should be shoulder width apart there. So why we are using the palms here? Because many times when we go on the wall, the people start doing that. So that's why when you want to use the palms on the wall, that will help you to maintain the distance and keep your spine straight. And then slowly with the next inhale, let the back toe in and lift the back knee up as much as you can, but make sure your knee and your hip should be in one line. That's why I say today we just want to focus only on the front leg, forget about the back leg. If your back knee is even more bended here, no problem, you can choose it according to your flexibility, and arm should be straight. Don't bend your arm and just feel that your spine is trying to lengthening and your trunk should be on top of the pelvis there. Thank you.